Good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you guys are watching this channel, first subscribe. I'm going to get up and do a little exercise here, go to the gym, probably about an hour and a half, and also play a little pickleball. If you guys don't know what pickleball is, look it up. It's really fun. It's like a miniature tennis court. If you've played tennis or table tennis, you'll catch on to this really quick. It's really fun. I've gotten pretty good, but I've seen some people that are really good. So you see all kind of age groups out there playing pickleball. People as young as 7 years old, and you see some people in their 80s playing it. And I see some of the older people are really good at it because they play smart. You know, those younger people, they play really aggressive and they hit the ball right at you. And those older people, they hit it where you're not at. But anyway, I found this video right here, and it's true. I've been in the workforce for a long time, and it seems like the people that tends to get ahead are these people right here. I know it don't sound right, but some of you guys will know what I'm talking about. Check this video out and tell me what you think. Have you seen this in the workforce? If so, leave some comments below. And what happened to these people? Maybe they've got fired, or maybe they advanced up and got higher positions as management. But anyway, check this out and tell me what you think, and leave notes in the comment and subscribe to my channel. Here we go.
First of all, only do the very minimum at your work. Never offer to do anything more. Just do the minimum. Come to work at the last minute and leave at the first minute, and waste as much time as possible during the day talking to your friends. That's the first way. And do personal business on your cell phone and telephone and computer. Just waste as much time as possible.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.